Hi guys, get a little tire pressure going on, no engine codes, no fault codes there. This is our last engine run. It's going to show off some live data. All the injectors look good here in a minute. Look at all the injector pulses are all the same. Runs real good. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to be able to see everything's working good. Before we pull that engine. Hear the fans running up here a little bit. They came on a little bit. Zachary, give it a rev or two. There comes the fan on down there. Anyway, got a real solid engine here, guys.